Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College. This is Jyoti Singh. Class, as we have studied about the transportation in human beings, today in this part we are going to discuss about the introduction to plant transport. So basically in this part we are going to start with the plant transportation. So let's learn about its intro first, then we will do it in detail. So let's learn about the plant transportation.
Let's start with the introduction to plant transport. We will learn it very interesting way in a form of story of Swati and her mom. One day Swati and her mom were watering plants in their garden. Swati asked her mom that why is she pouring the water in soil? Mom laughed and said that plants absorb water exactly the way you drink juice using a straw. Mom started explaining about absorption in plants. Plants have tiny roots here. On the roots, root hair absorbs water from the soil. The absorbed water is transported from root to the stem through a network of tubes. Swati got curious hearing this. She wanted to know more. Mom started explaining more about this. The network of tubes that transport water across the plant is called xylem. And xylem also transports minerals and nutrients which are dissolved water which is taken from the soil. Now xylem transfers water from roots to stem and from stem to leaves. The transport is unidirectional. That means only in one direction. Mom asked Swati if she knows how food is transported across the plant. Swati said that she doesn't. So mom started explaining about the mechanism of food transport. Similar to xylem, food is traveled across the plant through another network of tubes called phloem. Food that is synthesized in the leaves is transferred to roots and upper parts of the plant through the phloem. Now xylem and phloem together conduct water and food throughout the plants. So together they form a vascular bundle. Now plants remove excess absorbed water in the form of water vapor through the process of transpiration. So the loss of water through the pores of the stomata is called transpiration. And transpiration causes more absorption of water through roots. Let's do a revision. In plants, water is absorbed by root hairs. Xylem transports water from roots to stem leaves. Phloem transports food from leaves to other parts of the plant. And excess water is evaporated as water vapor through the pores on the leaves of the plant by the process of transpiration. So keep learning and keep watching the videos. At the last you will get one question which you have to write in the comment box.